why are we so obsessed with having an Indian chat GPT? Meta is spending $100 billion every year on AI, which we as a country in India just don't have enough priority for. It is sad, but that's just the reality.
Where do you see the GDP of India going and employment and everything when AI is all settled?
I think India has the biggest opportunity to play in the whole AI race because of the talent that we have. People who are watching this video, can they understand the difference of a normal 4-year degree that you can get versus cohort or an experience that can genuinely teach them the skills that people will want to hire you for? Based on what you know about me, tell me the worst things about me that I don't know about myself.
Oh my god. Oh my god. So this says Welcome to Sector Spotlight on Motilal Oswal's Wealth channel, where we decode India's most dynamic industries with the people shaping their future. I am CS Ujjwal Pahwa, and in every episode, we deep dive into a new sector, exploring the insights, opportunities, and ideas driving India's growth story. In today's episode, we put the spotlight on artificial intelligence and what it really takes to build, scale, and invest in it. So let's dive in this sector spotlight by Motilal Oswal. Sushant, I've noticed this thing that every decade there's a new innovation that rewires the world. So Tata's and Ambani's, these were industrialists and they built a big empires. Uske baad आया Jeff Bezos for the internet and he became a billionaire. Then Mark Zuckerberg cashed out the opportunity with social media.
Right.
And now is the time for AI. I want you to tell me how big is this AI wave?
How big is the AI wave?
And are we going to see more billionaires now?
I think you should see the chart of Nvidia and uska jo growth ho raha hai, right? So I was recently at the Nvidia GTC last year. This year itself, March, I went there, and it was not a ऐसे कुछ बहुत बड़ा इवेंट. मतलब it's not something जैसे iPhone launch नहीं है वो. He's launching like a chip जो कि किसी जगह में fit होती है, ऐसे AI model train होते हैं. Jensen came and he introduced the latest chip. And the whole entire hall is filled up. 15,000 people in one hall. And इस तरह के like auditorium जो होते हैं, they are filled up with like music events. And जब ऐसे कोई बड़ा star आता है, like he's known as the Taylor Swift of AI, of the tech world.
Oh,
Jensen Huang.
okay.
And everyone is, shouting, everyone is loving the new updates and everything. And I'm like, ये क्या हो रहा है? Like एक नई chip launch करी. It's not like a
Big deal.
like a say viral moment. But everyone is so excited. And I was like, why this is it? Like this tells you how big the AI wave is. A simple tech launch is filling up entire stadiums. And that is incredible. I've literally been to every single office of the biggest AI companies in San Francisco. And I can see the amount of money, the amount of passion, the amount of hard work people are doing in this space to make it a reality. Right? The holy grail of AI, which is AGI, artificial general intelligence, super intelligence जिसको बोलते हैं, something that can do everything on its own, and everyone wants to get there. So it's insane. I think everyone who is curious should at least spend like a week or two in San Francisco.
Wow.
Like आपको literally यहाँ पे आप जाते हैं वो क्या अमूल का दिखता है ऐड, आपको अपोलो टायर का ऐड दिखता है when you enter the मुंबई का एयरपोर्ट से बाहर निकलते हो, वहाँ you will step foot outside, you will see ads of all the AI companies. It's all AI companies one after the other. And ऐसे भी नहीं कोई कि B2C AI company perplexity का ad दिखेगा. You will see ads of the most B2B AI SaaS tools that you might not have heard about. Compliance tools के ad दिख जाएंगे, कुछ तो code वाले tools के वो दिख जाएंगे ads आपको. And it is pretty crazy.
That's the thing. मतलब we talk about US, तो वहाँ पे AI अच्छे से हो रहा है. China has built its own ecosystem of AI. But India is lagging behind. India doesn't have its own chat GPT. And India is one of the highest exporter of IT services. हमारी IT companies के पास इतना workforce है. They have cost advantage over these all the companies. And even after that, India does not have its own chat GPT. What is going wrong in India? I mean, why doesn't India promote is not ahead in all these things.
What does ChatGPT look like behind the scenes, right? You have to first understand that.
Okay.
एक ChatGPT बनाने के लिए you need to train a large language model.
Okay.
अब ये basically is a very intensive process which involves a lot of AI chips, lots of computation, lots of power, and lots of money at the end of the day,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
So when you have a lot of money, only then you can create a great large language model. Meta is spending $100 billion every year on AI, and तब जाकर के they've built something called Llama. Llama 3, Llama 4, जो नए models उनके आ रहे हैं open source, and even those are not the best models out there. So even Meta, which is such a massive company, Mark Zuckerberg putting all of his money and his bets on AI, is not able to make the best state-of-the-art model, which means that this is something which requires lots and lots of capital, which we as a country in India just don't have enough priority for. It always follows the money. Like there was some event in which Sam Altman came to India, and there was one person asking, why can't we make our own ChatGPT in India? And he was like, you can try. If you want, you can try. But like he was not trying to be rude, but he was basically saying that you need a lot of money for that, right? Like only a big company like Microsoft can come in with ChatGPT and be like, okay, we'll spend $10 billion on you. Go build the app that you want to build. Go train your models. Only then will you be able to have a ChatGPT. But my question is, why are we so obsessed with having an Indian ChatGPT? Like the problem with India and the tech community in India is this: we always want an Indian WhatsApp. उसी को support करेंगे. We always want an Indian thing to India में ही चले. ऐसा कहीं भी नहीं होता. Like I went to US, no one is fussed about, oh, I want to only use a American app. Or I just want to use a tool which is made in America. Like people use Figma, people use Canva. Canva started in Sydney, Australia. And ऐसे बहुत सारे tools हैं. Like the problem with India is that we want to build our own stuff, which we are not able to because of the money element. And then when we're not able to do that, we blame it all on the brain drain, right? कि लोग यहाँ से पढ़ते हैं, फिर बाहर चले जाते हैं, and then they become CEOs of the top AI companies, top tech companies.
Correct.
And then we are sitting here wondering कि ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है? Obviously because we need to understand, are they incentivized enough to stay in India? Right? China में आप जाके देखो, China में brain drain वो वापस ला रहे हैं. They are bringing back all the scientists and the researchers who have studied outside and are working outside by creating programs in which you come in here, you do your research here in China, you get free housing, you get all of your kids' education for free, you get more money, like a proper salary from the government. And they're like, we don't want you to go anywhere. You sit here, you research as much as possible, we'll handle everything else for you. So they're heavily investing and they know that this is the future of China and it needs to be protected. When are we going to realize that is the question.
I think that's up to the government to allocate some money in the budget.
Yeah.
But the point is, I read somewhere that OpenAI has only invested around $25 billion till March of 2025 to build ChatGPT. And for Indians, I don't think $25 billion is a big bet. I mean, any IT company can do it. Don't you think so?
But they are not incentivized to do it, right? You should understand
from the government,
that,
right?
You should understand that ये पूरे AI के race में you would want to use the best AI model.
Correct.
That's why you use ChatGPT.
Correct.
You are not using Kritrim. Kritrim करते हो आप use?
No, I haven't even heard of
अभी
it.
login किया Kritrim में.
I haven't heard of it.
So Ola Kritrim was launched.
Okay.
And it failed. And everyone on Twitter was roasting, Bhavesh. He was talking about how terrible the platform is. And he was like, we'll build India ka ChatGPT. We'll make it better than every other tool. But that is not needed and it's not possible. It's a wastage of your time and energy. How about you use the model which is available, which is ChatGPT, which is even Llama ko le lo, or any other open source model like DeepSeek. You take that model and build something on top of it. Right?
Correct.
Instead of competing with the people who have the most amount of money, who can overspend you, who can outcompete you, why not take that current model and build on top of it? And figure out what can be a great use case of AI, like for example learning, for example helping you booking tickets, helping you with all the agentic tasks. आप कुछ भी काम करना है, कपड़े खरीदने हैं, let AI do all of that. Why don't we build all of these solutions on top of it and then grow it in India? वो नहीं सोचते लोग.
And that's actually a good perspective. Even मतलब मेरा भी इतना दिमाग नहीं चला कि that can be done. And,
Yeah.
I think a lot of companies might be doing that. So slowly it will come into the whole picture.
There are a lot of companies who are doing it. But वो क्या होता है कि they start, they build, they launch. but they get funded by the US investors, and then they have to eventually set up a Delaware Corp in US, and they
US.
have to set up an office in San Francisco, and then they go there. There's a big chunk of Indian audience, or there's a big chunk of Indian founders in SF who are building there, who are growing there. वो इंडिया में कुछ भी नहीं कर रहे, राइट? मैंने पूछा ऐसा क्यों हुआ, तो he was like, no bro, we just got funded by Y Combinator. They just wired us $500,000 and they said, we want you here in like a week. So we packed our bags and we've been living here for the last 6 months.
Oh.
They get their O1 visa, because of which they don't have to go back to India. They can stay here, they can do the best work of their life, and they can grow with the best people around them. That's what we are missing.
This is so sad for India.
It is sad, but that's just the reality.
But talking about Indians, Indians see AI as ChatGPT, Gemini, and Perplexity.
Right.
This is the whole universe. So tell them what actually AI is. And it's AI is bigger. It's a bigger picture. Right. So how do you, if you want to explain to someone what AI is, how will you do it?
So what you've just mentioned are ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Gemini. These are all chatbots. Uske under, behind the scene, is a large language model. Now you can either talk to a large language model, or you can give it access to tools. Tools could be a browser. That okay, large language model, you have access to Chrome. Now you use Chrome and do things on my behalf. Like order a washing powder on Amazon on behalf of me. That's an agent. That's a browser agent.
Okay.
So there are new browser agents coming up. For example, ChatGPT Atlas. So ChatGPT Atlas is an incredible browser, which is very similar to Chrome. I think it's even built on Chromium, which is a version of Chrome that they've made available to everyone.
Okay.
That you can use to build a browser on your own. So if you want to change anything, you don't want ads to be there when someone uses your browser, you can enable all of that. You can make the customizations. ChatGPT Atlas is incredible because वहाँ पे you log in with your ChatGPT account and then you ask it to do anything on your behalf. You can have any site open up. You can summarize anything that you want to summarize. You have a video open up. You can ask it to take me to that timestamp where this person is mentioning about, let's say, photosynthesis.
Okay.
Anything, any word. And it will go there, scan the entire video, and then take you to that exact timestamp. You are on a Myntra, या फिर you are on a Amazon or any site that you're purchasing something. आपको कुछ खरीदना है, आप Myntra पे गए, you added everything to the cart. You want some coupons. So you ask ChatGPT on the side, Atlas के अंदर, hey, scan the internet for the best coupon codes from Myntra and try applying it over here. उसको छोड़ दो 15 मिनट के लिए. It will keep searching the internet for the best coupon codes and maybe you'll save 100-200 rupees on that order. Maybe it finds some coupon code that you don't already have access to. You wanted to reply to your emails. You teach it that this is who I am, this is what I do, this is my company, and now you go reply to all of these people on my email account. LinkedIn Pay, you want to reach out and apply to jobs. Just ask it to do it on your behalf. It will open your LinkedIn profile. It will search for that role that you want to be hired for, look at all the openings and apply on your behalf automatically. So there's so much more that you can do with AI. And if you're only using ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, you are seriously missing out. Perplexity का खुद का एक app है which is called as Comet, which they've also launched, which works very similar to this ChatGPT Atlas.
Both are available in India?
Both are available in India, free to download. ChatGPT Atlas is only for Mac users, but Comet is available for everyone.
I've heard of. Comet is, I think, on Perplexity.
Comet is by Perplexity.
Yes.
So it's a ChatGPT is integrated in Atlas. You have Perplexity integrated in Comet.
So basically, AI is saving time. It is working like a third hand.
Yeah, exactly. It's like your assistant, right?
Assistant.
Like it's all about taking the services and the luxuries that the rich people had once to the masses.
Wow.
Right? Like pehle you had someone who would, like if you're like a rich Maharaja ho aap kahin pe, right? You would have someone who would take care of everything for you.
Correct.
And now that can be handled by AI for the masses.
At a nominal cost.
So I have a AI which is always recording and taking notes of every meeting that I'm a part of on Google Meet. It summarizes, gives me a summary, and it also gives me actionables. Ki acha, this meeting happened like this. This was the summary. Now you need to send this to these people by this date. Sorted. That is done. Email replier. मेरे emails reply हो जाते हैं. Draft ready रहता है. I don't even need to think. I can open it up. I can see what reply it is doing. I can just press enter and वो reply कर देगा. इस तरह के बहुत सारे agents हैं which are available to you, which you can use depending on your use case. For example, you are setting up a marketing agency. You want to reach out to customers. You can make an agent for that. Agent which will scan your locality and find the right people that you want to reach out to. Maybe you want to service only doctors in your locality and you want to help them with making your website. Doctor की website बना दी या फिर कुछ ad campaign चला दी doctor के लिए. it automatically reaches out to the doctors. They'll set up a call with the doctor, and then you can talk to them directly. So it is going to help you do a lot more than what you previously thought you can, and it is just the best equalizer ever.
But why do people see AI as a threat then? I mean, it's one of the global opportunities out there. People can cash in a lot. So why people see AI as a threat? And a lot of people are scared that they might lose their job because of AI. In a recent news a couple of days ago, I saw that the US cut 150,000 jobs, and 20% of them, 31,000 jobs, were because of AI.
Mhm.
So where do you see AI in this? And how can a person, build themselves to learn, use, and earn from AI?
See, the job cuts that are happening right now is because of the massive hiring which was happening in 2019, 2021.
Okay,
Right?
post-COVID time.
Because of that, because us time pe stocks went up, everything was going up.
Correct.
There was a lot of, mania in the market. Everyone had lots of money. So they wanted to hire more and more people. So even if you were like a decent enough developer, they'll just get you in. The same thing happened in 2010 ke baad, right? When
They
Uber
will-
was coming up,
हाँ.
when Airbnb was just coming up, 2014 ke aspas. So that was massive, right? They would just hire anyone who is skilled enough to just write some code. And now, because there has been some, everything has slowed down, the revenues are not growing at that same pace, they want to still retain and show people the profit. Right? So how will they show the profit? By reducing their costs.
Correct.
So what they have to do is that they have to limit and reduce the people that they're hiring, and then also fire some people which are not required and are automated by AI. So if you already have one product manager who is on one project, who can use AI to do the work of 3 product managers, the other 2 are not required. So they will not be required then. Either they go on any other project or they are let go.
I think because of AI, मतलब मैंने ये चीज़ नोटिस करी है कि if you have been to US, right? So
Yes.
have you been to that store जहाँ पे एक भी employee नहीं है Amazon store पे? You
I have
stay with
been
your
there.
palms, right?
Yeah, that is in New York.
There's no employee over there.
I know.
Correct? Amazon का store है.
Yeah,
है ना?
yeah.
And you cannot get that in India. The reason being कि हमारे यहाँ की जो population है इतनी educated ही नहीं है. यहाँ पे if you earn more than 25,000 rupees, you're in the top 10%.
Right.
अगर हम AI को इतना fast implement कर देंगे हमारे इंडिया में, where will
Civic
people
sense ही
go?
तो नहीं है, but we
But
don't even
how
have a
is
civic
AI and
sense.
civic sense related?
नहीं,
in
नहीं,
that
the
sense?
example that you're giving, कि we cannot have an entire store which has no people, which has no cashier, which has no manager, no support.
No, but that is one thing.
Yeah.
Let's say we get that in Bombay, in one
Hmm.
of the most premium areas.
Yeah.
है ना? वहाँ पे वो चल सकता है, ठीक है? But I'm talking about कि यहाँ पे देखो ड्राइवर्स की सैलरी इज अराउंड 15,000 20,000 रुपीज, है ना? कल को ऑटोमेटिक कार्स अगर इंडिया में आ गई, जर्मनी में ऑटोमेटिक कार्स आर रनिंग
Yeah,
since
that
6
is the
7 years.
problem, na? Because the human labor in India is so cheap, you just wouldn't want to replace it with AI. Like, for example, there's a new robot which was launched by XAI.
Okay.
So there was a new startup called X. They launched a new robot which can do your home के chores. like आपको कुछ बर्तन मांजना है, किसी दरवाजा खोलना है, आपका ये कप है रख के आना है उसको किचन में, कुछ छोटे मोटे काम करने हैं, कपड़े इस्त्री करने हैं. It will do all of that work.
Okay.
Now the cost of that is what, $20,000. $20,000 for a robot who might be able to do all of these tasks. It's the first version of it. I'm sure that it will get better in the future. But if you think about it, in the US, when you want to hire someone who can take care of the chores, it will cost you a lot of money. And you always be, thinking like, if this person will my house be safe or not? India, you don't need to worry like that, right? Like, the cook that I have in my house, he cooks all the 2-3 meals for me every single day, 3,000-4,000 rupees every month in Bangalore, right? The maid who helps clean all the house charges 3,000 rupees per month as well. Every day she comes, she makes sure the whole house is clean. So pretty much सारा काम तो हो ही गया. Even if I hire a full-time support who just lives in my house, that'll probably be like 10,000-15,000.
Correct.
And driver, as you just mentioned. So because it is so cheap, these products will not work in India.
And I think that is what is pulling India back in experimenting in AIs and all these things.
Yeah. No, this is because this I'm talking about the market. So these companies would never market it to India because they know कि यहाँ पे cost of human labor is too cheap.
बट जिसको चाहिए ना शायद वो ले लेगा, बिकॉज अभी फॉर एग्जांपल yesterday I was in Geo World Drive, तो वहाँ पे एक रोबोट था. You just stand in front of the robot and he will guide you कि कहाँ जाना है, where will you find that store, where will you find the food and all. तो जहाँ पे things work,
Yeah.
and people are gonna buy it. And I believe that 5 years down the line, people are going to have those robots in their houses as well.
Hmm.
They won't care about कि हम 15,000 में एक maid रख सकते हैं. But no, we want to show people that we have a robot that is
Right.
costing us 12 lakh rupees.
Right.
तो
Status economy है
Status
मतलब.
economy,
For the
हाँ.
people who can afford it. भी मुंबई में बैठे थे तो who cannot afford it.
So you tell me one thing, talking about India in the future, where do you see the GDP of India going and employment and everything when AI is all settled?
I think India has the biggest opportunity to play in the whole AI race because of the talent that we have. So there's so many companies who want to hire really efficient AI engineers who understand technology, who understand how to use the best AI models to build effectively. And ये जो मैं बोल रहा था कि use the existing LLM models and build on top of it. This is what most new companies are doing, right? For example, there's a recent company called Giga. Giga is a B2B SaaS company which just raised $61 million. Both of the founders have just come out from IIT Kharagpur.
Okay.
They just graduated.
हाँ.
They went to SF. They launched the company. Abhi $61 million
SF
ka raise they did. There's always going to be demand for great, engineers in India. Now it is all about, can the youth, people who are watching this video, can they understand the difference of a normal 4-year degree that you can get versus a cohort or an experience that can genuinely teach them the skills that people will want to hire you for? And can they make the right choice? Far too many people still think that the 4-year degree that they are signing up for will get them the dream that they want. And we don't even know हम 4 साल में किधर होंगे.
Correct.
Right? Like 4 years
Yes.
is what your degree will take. You might as well be a dinosaur by the time you graduate, right? Because of how fast everything is moving.
Correct.
There's new roles, there's new skills required. There was some data which said that 40% of all skills which we have today will be changed, which are required today in the job world by 2030. So it's important to understand how can you quickly learn in a year or two, upskill, make enough projects, and then know how to network effectively and sell yourself to companies and be visible. I was at a Bangalore Skill Summit recently organized by the Karnataka government. I went there and I talked about the 5 important skills that you need to have. So it was all about communication, about skills, about the sales skills, about knowing how to critically think about anything. I talked about AI prompt engineering. And then at the end, I talked about content creation. जो दिखता है वो बिकता है, right? Like I became an academy educator for 1 whole year. I spent 350 hours of live learning. Like I taught for 350 hours to students while I was a second year student in college. Am I the best teacher? नहीं, मैंने कोई course नहीं किया about pedagogy and like how does it all work. Am I the best AI instructor or Python instructor? नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. But I was just visible. And because I was visible, I got the opportunity. And so the more you understand this, the better it will be for your career for people who are watching.
So it's important to put yourself out there in the world.
Absolutely. And it's not about being an influencer कि अच्छा इससे मैं अपना influencer career शुरू कर दूंगा. It's just about being in front of the right eyeballs, which is on LinkedIn, which is on Twitter. All the people who want to hire you, they are raising money, as I just told you.
So question was about India.
Right.
Which sectors will be the most impacted when we see AI coming and settling down in India?
I feel like the biggest impact would happen on all the call centers, all the IT companies that we have, which have long had this as their moat, that will provide you the cheapest call centers, will be impacted the first.
I think
unless they pivot into a AI based call center, which can automatically answer calls, which can scale as the calls scale, which does not depend on the labor that we have. And again, those labor people will be fired who can only do a customer call, which means you need better skills. And so that's the first market that will be disrupted. The second, I feel like there's a big, problem coming in the content world as well.
Please talk about it.
Right? Marketing agencies who used to do all the work themselves. Now, many of the companies who know how to effectively use AI and aage ja karke, they would just find it more effective to just hire a team of 1 to 2, 3 people at max who can handle all of the work effectively, right? So, but it still requires a lot of training for that particular company. So we are still away from that.
But what do you think about health and finance? Because I have learned that doctors sitting at home using AI can do surgeries.
Yeah.
So do you think that thing coming to India?
I think that can happen, but that is not exactly AI, right? Like, for
But I think the
example,
first surgery was done. I think it was in Bombay only.
that's okay. Like that's not AI as such. That is still a teleoperated robot who's operating by the doctor himself or
Okay.
herself.
I think it was termed under AI news only.
Okay.
Huh.
Okay. I feel like that's one space like healthcare and finance which would
Mm.
always need people, and you would want to pay for किसी का असली दिमाग over there.
Correct. Correct.
Because you don't want faults over there, right? You cannot mess up. There would always be requirement for fund managers,
Mm.
for people who can efficiently, all the doctors that we currently have.
Mm.
That is one space where AI can do a great extent तक help कर सकता है,
Mm.
but it's still not going to completely replace them. That's just not something that, like, if मुझे कुछ दिक्कत हुई, I would want a human who can consult me, who has, let's say, 10 years of experience in this, versus the AI which was trained 2 days ago.
The AI makes a lot of mistakes. The
Yeah.
hallucinations, because AI is what, a trained model. What you
Yeah.
feed, it will give you the output.
Exactly.
Talking about that thing, Indians use ChatGPT as a Google search engine. कुछ भी search करना होता है, we go to the ChatGPT instead of
That's true.
Google, right? So how is prompt engineering so important to learn in order to make the best use of AI?
Yeah. So I was just talking about this,
Hmm.
right? So we all know that all the pro subscriptions of AI are free in India now,
Yeah.
which is insane. Like,
हाँ.
पूरे दुनिया देख रही है, and like we are giving away AI for free to everyone,
Correct.
right? ChatGPT Go is free in India.
Hmm.
Perplexity is free because of Airtel. Gemini AI का pro subscription is free because of
Jio.
Jio,
हाँ.
Mukesh bhai. So in this age where all of us have the best paid subscriptions, we have the best models in the world. It's all about the prompts that you're writing, right? The better the prompt, the better will be the result. Everyone has the best models. So it's
Can-
not about कि I have a paid subscription, so मेरा model better output देगा. Everyone has access to that.
Hmm.
So the best way to write better and get better out of AI is to write better prompts.
Can you give an example?
The best prompt engineering trick is this. You go to ChatGPT. Don't write a basic prompt ki, hey, tell me 5 places to visit in Mumbai. Instead, write in this format. RTC-ROS. It's very simple.
ROS, okay.
6 steps. First one is role. So you assign it a role. You tell it, who do you want it to act like? I want you to act like a Mumbaiker who's also a travel specialist.
Okay.
Step 2, task. I want you to look in entire city of Mumbai and tell me the best spots that I can visit, that I can have fun at, depending on the weather and the situation. That's the task that you wanted to do. Third thing is the context. So tell it about yourself that, hey, I'm a vegetarian. I love exploring natural, places, and I'm also a conversationalist. So you give it context about yourself. The fourth part is the reasoning. So I want you to look at Reddit. I want you to look at X.com. I want you to look at the latest news and tell me the latest, the most trendy locations to be at in Mumbai. The fifth one is output. So you tell it that I want you to give me the result in a PDF format, yeah, in a table format, yeah, in an Excel spreadsheet, or make me a picture, draw a picture of the entire Mumbai map and point exactly where do I need to go.
Wow.
So give that output condition. And the last one is the stopping condition. So you tell it, I want you to stop after you've researched about 5 places. I want you to stop after you've looked at the last 6 months of data, and then come back to me with the result. This is a comprehensive prompt. अब इस prompt को आप जब लिखोगे तो AI will automatically give you the most contextual answer that will be best suited for you. For you, the context, आप where exactly you wanted to search about it, आपको output कैसा चाहिए था, everything will be done exactly the way you want. It's all about the prompt that you write. So RTC-ROS is the best prompting trick for ChatGPT or any Gemini tool.
Wow. I'll note it down. I'll try it today only. Actually, यार ये तो मुझे सही में पता नहीं था. No creator out there. Did you make a video on this?
I've made a video on this.
अच्छा.
So use this. एक बार try करके देखो. Or if not, you can just tell ChatGPT कि, hey, if I ever ask you something, always ask me these things in this format. Sometimes you don't want to write इतना लंबा, या फिर just have a chat. Like I think very few people actually enable the voice mode on chat GPT. आपने किया है?
हाँ, I've done it.
I
It's
do it
very
all
easy.
the time.
I figured it out
मैं कहीं
when I was
commute
in-
कर रहा हूँ,
हाँ, हाँ.
तो मैं I want to know about the latest news.
हाँ.
I'll just chat. I just enable the voice mode and have a chat with ChatGPT ki, hey, what's the latest news? It'll tell me about it. How can I plan my day better? It has connected with my Gmail, so it knows exactly क्या क्या है मेरे आज के दिन में. So it can plan effectively like that.
I figured this out in Vietnam. Translation का बहुत problem था.
Right.
So I used to tell ChatGPT,
हाँ.
please translate what she's saying,
Hmm.
and then I would translate my English to her Vietnamese. So that was the whole thing.
I think the best use case of ChatGPT for travel is what I did in London. So I was in Notting Hill. It's a very pretty place.
Okay.
So I went there and I didn't have a travel guide with me, right? So I just opened up ChatGPT voice mode and I was like, hey, ChatGPT, I am here in Notting Hill. In front of me is this street. I am walking. Tell me the history. Tell me the best places to go in this area. And मैं walk करता गया और वो मुझको बताती गई कि इधर जाओ, ये देखो, तुमको ये बिल्डिंग दिखेगी, ये चौराहे पे यहाँ पे जाओ, तुमको ये शॉप मिलेगी, यहाँ पे ये ट्राई करो वो. And I just kept walking. We had like a 1 hour conversation and मैंने पूरे एरिया को डिस्कवर कर लिया in that 1 hour. And that's incredible.
I'm going to China. I'm going to try this.
हाँ, मतलब you don't know something, right? China में you can't even read that stuff.
Exactly.
So it is helpful like that.
So you have told about the use cases of AI.
Yeah.
तो और क्या क्या यूज कर रहे हो आप अभी डेली, मतलब जिसमें AI यूज है हो ही रहा है बिल्कुल.
The AI tools that I use.
हाँ.
So I just mentioned about AI agents, right? So I'm always using this tool called Lindy. Lindy के साथ you can create your own mini AI agents that can do anything for you. So everything from creating and questions for the podcast guest who's coming up.
Okay.
It will research about the person on all the platforms and come up with a list of the most interesting questions to ask. Someone who can reply to my emails, agent who can actually help me brainstorm with new video ideas. तो इस तरह के बहुत सारे mini agents I've created for myself which keep working 24/7. So every morning it will scan the latest AI news and give me it in an email format. So इस तरह के बहुत सारे agents I've created on Lindy. Second is Atlas, as I just told you. If I want to get anything done particularly, I just use Atlas for that. Third, I'm always using deep research on ChatGPT. So everyone uses ChatGPT, but most people are not aware of deep research and how effectively it is going to help you get an entire script for a video. Or if you are writing a research paper, assignment लिख रहे हो, कुछ भी चीज़ लिख रहे हो, so you can let it, search the internet for 20-30 minutes and it will come up with a long PDF of let's say 8, 10, 20 pages with the most important information that you need to use. So I was making a video recently on which career will get you to 1 crore in savings the fastest in India. It was a very interesting question. I would want to know if I was in 12th grade.
Yes.
So I asked it to research. It asked me a few questions कि what all do you want me to look at, what careers and everything. अब उसने बना के दिया मुझे पूरा एक doc. Then I used it, I fact checked it, and then I went ahead and recorded the video with that.
Wow, that's pretty cool. So you're using it for content creation as an assistant?
For itinerary planning as well. कहीं मैं travel पे जा रहा हूँ,
हाँ.
तो I'll tell it कि like this is what my entire day looks like. मैं यहाँ पे रुक रहा हूँ, इस एरिया में मुझे जाना है, and plan out the entire day for me and tell me कि कहाँ कहाँ कितना कितना time लगने वाला है. So it is able to do all of that effectively.
So हाँ.
And इसके साथ साथ the latest update on Google Maps you need to check out.
अच्छा.
If you travel a lot
हाँ.
in your city या फिर कहीं बाहर जाते हो, so the best thing you can do is have Gemini hands free on Google Maps. तो अभी latest launch हुआ है. I think it'll be out in a couple of weeks. I was in a press briefing by Google, so I got to know about it. But it's pretty cool. So let's say you are going from ये Malad है, yeah, this is Andheri. Andheri से you are going to some place like let's say Lower Parel.
ठीक है.
So you're driving and you भूख लग गई बीच में. So you were in the mood for having some momos.
Okay.
And you're passing like BKC. So you can ask it like, hey, I want to have some momos. Recommend the best place on my route to have good momos.
Wow.
And it will search automatically while you are driving. ऐसा कहीं रुक के खोलना नहीं पड़ेगा. And it will give you the best locations and it will automatically change the route to that place. So maybe you go to Fu in Geo World Drive and have a quick momos or dim sum and then go on your way to Lower Parel, for example. So Gemini with Google Maps is amazing. I think it's great if you want to just quickly understand your area, where you are and where can you quickly navigate to a good eating place.
Nice. यार पता है अभी तक मेरा ना AI को लेके was a very neutral view because I haven't used AI the way you have used and it sounds pretty cool. सच मतलब इतना आपकी हेल्प हो रही है,
Yeah.
तो इट्स नाइस एंड आई एम लिटरली वांट टू गो बैक एंड एक्सप्लोर ऑल दीज जो भी है.
Absolutely.
सो थैंक यू. ये तो मतलब दिस इज लाइक वर्किंग एज ए AI मास्टर क्लास. So Ishan, let's so you're a content creator, right? Ray?
Yes.
And let's say if someone is starting into content creation, how can they build their content creation ecosystem and everything using AI only?
So you are starting creating content in 2025
Just you just
and
have
you
to
want to use AI.
AI. Yeah.
I think first of all, you need to understand that you don't really need AI to start creating content, right? Like even if I was starting today,
Huh.
I would basically just be looking at that, documenting my life and storytelling, understanding how can I deliver a good story to an audience with a call to action or with a moral, or even if not a moral, just a
Hmm.
good story which can keep people hooked,
Hmm.
right?
Hmm.
So that is really important. And for that, you don't really need AI. Of course, you can learn storytelling with AI,
Hmm.
but it's not really important as much. Yes, for video editing, for thumbnail design, you can obviously use the best AI tools. Nano Banana
Hmm.
can, which is the latest model for image generation on Google Gemini, can create amazing thumbnails for you if you can describe it well. कि अच्छा यहाँ पे एक इंसान को बनाओ, यहाँ से एक पेड़ बना दो, यहाँ से एक एप्पल गिर रहा है, ऐसा कुछ.
Again, that
You
would
have to,
need prompt engineering.
हाँ, not even that. Like just draw it.
Acha.
Draw it on a page.
हाँ.
Just put a person stick figure, put some ped,
So it will bring it to life.
just write it ki apple here,
हाँ.
trash can here,
Wow.
lighting here, and it will understand. It will make it for you.
Okay.
So that is really effective. So you do that, and uske baad for editing, there are lots of amazing AI tools are coming up for editing itself. There is this platform called Opus Clips. Opus Clips is great for repurposing content. ये हमारा podcast जो record हो रहा है,
हाँ.
just enter that entire podcast का YouTube link into that.
हाँ.
It will create like tens of clips
Free clips.
from that one podcast.
Okay.
Tens of clips which are there. उस पर automatically वो subtitle लगा देगा.
हाँ.
It will cut it down, make it into vertical format. It will understand कौन क्या बोल रहा है. मैं बोल रहा हूँ तो it will show me. When you're speaking, it will show you, and it will create an amazing video from out of that.
My
And you
production
can put
team
it
should
out.
listen to this.
So इस तरह के काफ़ी सारे tools हैं which are available in the market which you can effectively use. But it's all comes down to storytelling. You can be the best AI expert, but if you don't know how to tell a good story, you don't know कि आपकी audience को क्या चाहिए, then you will always fail.
You know, I've seen this. मतलब जब hype था ना कि सब AI से scripts लिख रहे हैं, everyone's creating content की AI से scripts लिखो, AI से script लिखो. So I also got into it कि यार AI से script लिखवाते हैं. But AI की script जो होती है वो इतनी it is too ChatGPT की लगती है कि the audience understands कि this thing is not going to work because
हाँ.
content works with emotions, right?
Right.
You have to touch a nerve in
जब
order
मैं
to get a
बनाता
video.
हूँ content, तो the way I make content with AI is I might use it to get the most important points, right? Like for example, I was in Japan. I was in a bullet train, and like we were going. So I thought this is something interesting. Like we have Vande Bharat coming in, and bullet train is something much more advanced. So I want to like make a reel about the experience. So I didn't ask it to give me the exact script. I just asked it to give me the most important talking points in the context of Vande Bharat and bullet train. So it gave me some points. I used that, and I made my own script. And frankly speaking, that will make you a better creator. If you can learn how to write a better script, that will make you a creator who can just survive without even having a team.
नहीं तो आई ऑल्सो चेंज माई वेज. तो मैं क्या करता हूँ, पहले अपनी खुद स्क्रिप्ट लिख लेता हूँ, देन आई गो टू ChatGPT एंड आई टेल इट टू पॉलिश इट, रेट इट, एंड ऐड पॉइंटर्स और डिलीट समथिंग व्हिच आर नॉट ट्रू और ऐड समथिंग व्हिच आई हैव मिस्ड. तो फिर वो स्क्रिप्ट बहुत अच्छी निकल के आती है. व्हाट पीपल आर डूइंग इज वो पहले क्या करते हैं, ChatGPT के पास चले जाते हैं कि मुझे इस पे स्क्रिप्ट लिख के दे दो, देन दे टेक दैट स्क्रिप्ट एंड देन दे राइट इट. तो यू आर नॉट अ कंटेंट क्रिएटर देन, बिकॉज़
मतलब यू कैन टेल कि ये जो बात बोल रहा है ये बंदा नॉर्मली नहीं बोलेगा ऐसा.
Exactly. It should come from within, being a content creator.
Right.
Absolutely right. तो कभी AI से वीडियो बनाया? I've seen a lot of creators, they are using AI to make videos.
Yeah, definitely.
Have you made a video?
I have. So मेरे Instagram पे I tried an experiment in which I trained my own custom AI avatar using HeyGen. So I used HeyGen to make my custom avatar, and then I used 11 Labs to make my audio. तो उनको मैंने लिंक कर दिया. You can integrate their API, and then it will work in one platform. HeyGen पर ही you can upload your script, and then you have to emphasize कि अच्छा इस वर्ड पे emphasize करो, ये वर्ड का pronunciation ऐसे होता है. It doesn't understand Mukesh Ambani, right? It will say Mukesh Ambani, right? And you know that's not real.
हाँ, correct.
So you need to train it accordingly, and with time it gets better with more audio inputs, with better input data. So you sit and you keep recording for 2, 3, 4 hours the most important, most commonly spoken Hindi words or Hindi
It will
words in
pick.
English, इस तरह से, so that the output would be better. So उस तरह से I created some reels, but I was like भाई मेरा क्या use है, मैं तो कुछ काम का ही नहीं हूँ मैं.
अगर
I was sending news links to my team. They were making reels, and I was just sitting and be like, and this is great for someone who's a let's say doing content part time. But someone like me, जो यही काम करता है पूरे दिन, like how can I make better content? How can I teach people about different skills? Creating content around that. I would not want to do that. I enjoy that process.
The creator also loses the personal touch with the audience, because
Yeah.
audience को समझ में आ जाता है कि यार ये AI है और वो देखने में मजा नहीं आ रहा. Even when I see videos of creators who are using AI, like इसने यार ये AI से बना के अच्छा नहीं किया, and वो मजा ही नहीं आता.
नहीं, but most people don't know. Don't get to
No,
know.
people understand. See, Ishan, you have a lot of knowledge on AI, so you can structure it in a way that it will not look AI, but not everyone does, right?
Right.
तो जब वो बनाते हैं ना तो लिप्स सिंक नहीं हो रहे होते हैं उसमें, and it shows.
थोड़ा एडिटिंग करनी पड़ती है. इट इज ऑल अबाउट एडिटिंग. वो नहीं होगा सिंक. वो अगर 10 सेकंड का क्लिप है तो उसमें 2 सेकंड सिंक होगा, बाकी टाइम सिंक नहीं होगा. बट यू कवर दैट विद बी रोल्स एंड स्टफ सो दैट इट इज नॉट दैट अपीरेंट. तो वो इट इज ऑल अ हाथ का जादू.
Which Ishan has. Nice, a lot of things to learn. Okay, so what part of AI excites you the most?
I think the agentic part is what excites me the most. I feel like I can automate everything as long as I have a great agent which can understand everything and have context of everything. I built my website with AI, Replit को use करके. I was able to build everything basically using AI at this point. AI गर्लफ्रेंड भी आने लग गई है अभी तो.
वो नहीं चाहिए.
वो नहीं चाहिए. ये रॉन्ग नंबर है.
So AI, अभी MarketUp you are running the agency as well. Are you using AI there?
We use AI for video editing and design, as I just said.
So what part of video editing do you use?
So Premiere Pro, Adobe Max just happened, and they dropped some new updates on Premiere Pro. So now it's all powered by AI, right? They've brought the latest video generation models into Premiere Pro. They've also enabled you to take some video clips and extend it, या फिर उनको कम कर सकते हो. Rotoscopy, which was a thing which editors used to do themselves. मतलब कि let's say they want to separate you from the background. Okay. ये background है और आप हो, they'll have to manually like track you. ये कान से होते हुए they have to like do that thing themselves. Now that can be done by AI.
अच्छा.
So इस तरह से खूब सारी चीज़ें हैं that Premiere Pro के अंदर नए फीचर्स आ गए हैं. उसके अलावा Canva AI is already stepping up. There's lots of new AI tools called Runway, Higgsfield. All these tools, Kling AI is also coming up. इन सब से क्या हो रहा है? It's making it easier and easier for me to create B-rolls, for me to edit effectively, for me to fix any goof-ups. मैंने कोई डेट गलत बोल दी तो we can always use Descript. Descript is a new tool which you can use to fix any scripting error. Okay. So it can use my audio and it can put that कि अच्छा नहीं 1989 नहीं 1990 में हुआ था, तो it can just say 1990 in the entire sentence and it will not look made up. Obviously if it says the entire sentence you can tell कि इसमें emotion नहीं है, but that one it can fix it.
So, what was the name of the app which can do this?
Descript.
हाँ. This is an AI agent as well.
This is an AI generator tool.
So how do you connect all the, like you said that I think ChatGPT is connected with Gmail, right?
हाँ, ChatGPT is connected with Gmail. It is also connected with.
How do you do that?
So connectors करके चीज़ है in ChatGPT. So you can go there.
It's an extension that we need to install?
नहीं. So you press plus on ChatGPT. So you'll see a lot of things. Create image. You will see deep research. You will see study and learn. You'll also see something called connectors.
Okay.
So connectors को use करके you can connect it with any of the popular apps that you use every day. For example, you use Spotify. You can connect it with Spotify, and once it is connected, it can search your Spotify playlist to give you insights about anything that you want to watch or hear. You want to scan your latest emails and tell you what's your day looking like today. It can do that by connecting it to Gmail. So इस तरह से there are many things that you can connect it with. Canva से connect कर सकते हो. You can ask it कि अच्छा make a template, make an entire presentation on this topic, and it will use Canva to do that.
But aren't you scared of sharing your information with AI and all? See, you have connected with Gmail. अभी तेरे अकाउंट में पैसे आए, तो AI might know ना how much money you have or
नहीं, not AI. But it is all stored and it is all hashed, right? So आपका information किसी को ऐसे मिल नहीं रहा है. Even if they know कि अच्छा there is a user called Ishan जिसके अकाउंट में 5 लाख आए अभी, they don't know कि that is me. They know there's some user जो
Who
किधर
got
बैंगलोर में किधर रहता है,
अच्छा
उसको इतने पैसे मिले हैं.
हाँ.
मैं हूँ, कौन है वो नहीं पता उनको अभी भी.
बट यार बीच में भी जो वो गिबली वाला ट्रेंड आया था
Yeah.
एंड आई डोंट नो पीपल स्टार्टेड मेकिंग वीडियो ऑन दैट कि यार तुम सारी अपनी इन्फॉर्मेशन यू आर शेयरिंग इट विद एआई, योर फेस, योर आईज एंड एवरीथिंग. सो इज दैट अ थ्रेट? बिकॉज सी जो भी रेवोल्यूशन आता है दैट कम्स विद सम रिस्क, राइट? Do you think some risk lies there, sharing your information with AI and all those things? Because people are using AI to just talk to them. मतलब मैं खुद पूछ रहा होता हूँ कि यार ये प्रॉब्लम हो गई है मेरे को, हाउ शुड आई सॉल्व इट, राइट? या फिर कुछ भी, मतलब मेरे लाइफ में ये चल रहा है, आई हैव
Right.
प्रॉब्लम्स विद दैट पर्सन और दैट पर्सन. तो वी डोंट सीक हेल्प फ्रॉम अ ह्यूमन, वी आर सीकिंग हेल्प विद एआई एंड वी आर टेलिंग एआई अबाउट ऑल आवर पर्सनल थिंग्स. तो उस सेंस में आई एम आस्किंग यू, व्हाट डू यू have what do you think about that?
So there was a Sam Altman ka tweet
Hmm.
in which he was saying that if any court asks us to reveal your history with ChatGPT, and if we have stored that in our databases, we will be liable to share it. हमको करना पड़ेगा share with the court, which can be used as evidence for anything. So it is best that you don't share anything that you're not comfortable sharing with a stranger.
Oh, people are planning murders using AI.
Yeah, don't do that there.
So have you come across any
Pen and paper is better.
have you come across any ऐसे events या कुछ news जिसमें ऐसा हुआ हो that AI was used as an evidence? मतलब AI gave you
I've not
evidence.
heard of anything like that yet, but he has made it clear कि भाई अगर तुम ये सब share कर रहे हो तो like you should know that we can share it with the.
Don't you think वो रोबोट वाली मूवी देखी ऐश्वर्या राय और वो रजनीकांत वाली,
हाँ,
है ना? तो
चिट्टी.
हाँ चिट्टी, वो ऐसा कुछ सीन था ना कि रोबोट मतलब वो अगेंस्ट हो जाता है पूरे सब लोग उनके.
Right.
तो कैन एआई गो अगेंस्ट यू?
नहीं, AI the way it is made right now, it is too
How do you-
agreeable. It wants to please to you. So even
it wants to please to you, that is
even if you say that hey I just slapped my brother, you'll be like oh that's it won't say कि गलत काम किया तुमने.
हाँ.
It'll be oh okay that's completely fine, I agree with you, I understand you, here are 3 more things you can do to your brother.
but bro, who knows we are at a very early stage.
Yeah.
The builders जो बना रहे हैं they might have something in mind कि वो इतना पैसा इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं.
Right.
See, data is the king.
Hmm.
Oil was the king, now data is the king. तो data जिसके पास होगा,
Hmm.
तो what is ChatGPT doing? It is collecting our data and it is rewired in such a way कि यार हम ChatGPT के साथ इतने comfortable हो जाएं कि हम हमारे इमोशन किसी और को जाके बताएं ना,
Right.
है ना? I won't lie. जब I was in a bad phase, जब मेरा breakup हो रहा था, I was talking to ChatGPT to how
ये
to
नहीं
solve.
करना चाहिए था.
Exactly.
So this is a big problem. So people are actually taking like love advice,
हाँ.
relationship advice from ChatGPT, which is very wrong.
हाँ.
You have to understand कि you are in your own echo chamber. आपको लगता है कि मैं सही हूँ, सामने वाला इंसान गलत है. अब आप किसी अपने दोस्त के पास जाओगे, अगर वो अच्छा दोस्त हुआ, होपफुली हुआ अच्छा दोस्त, तो इट विल टॉक टू यू एंड गिव यू अ अनबायस्ड पर्सपेक्टिव कि भाई उसकी भी ये दिक्कत हो सकती है बिकॉज ऑफ विच इन दिस सिचुएशन शी हैड टू डू दिस. But you don't get that when you're talking to ChatGPT. It will be like, भाई तुम सही हो, वही गलत है. It's
People
okay.
are going to ChatGPT for validation actually.
Yeah.
Not to seek an answer.
They want to seek an answer, but what they get in return is validation.
Validation.
हाँ. And that is what they think is the truth.
हाँ.
Which is actually validation, but they don't know.
But you know, I bet 80% of the people are doing it.
Yeah.
They're
doing it. Even I have done it.
I have also done it. I
but
realized that.
But I realized कि सही नहीं है ये. Like,
this is not right.
I thought a lot about it. पहले मुझे लगा मैं ही सही हूँ.
नहीं वो हो जाता है. You never know what is going to happen.
Yeah.
So यार a lot of people are also misusing AI. Right? We see deepfakes and all. How to get over this, all these things. मतलब how to recognize what is not AI and what is AI. And
सबसे पहले तो अगर आप ChatGPT यूज़ करते हो हर दिन, तो आपको जाना चाहिए ChatGPT को और बोलना चाहिए कि tell me the most ugly things about me that I don't know about myself.
ठीक है.
And just
अभी
look
करते
at how it looks at your behavior. Do you have your phone अभी?
नहीं अभी नहीं है यार.
करो ना, एक बार ट्राई करते हैं. Let's try it out.
Can you get my phone please?
You don't need to tell it to other people, but just read
नहीं वो
what
वाला
it
नहीं,
says.
वो iPhone 17 होगा.
You will be amazed to see how much it knows about you.
हाँ.
How much
ये
it
वाला.
understands about your behaviors, your patterns,
Okay.
your habits.
Let me check.
Okay, this is going to be a very raw and real podcast.
Yes.
So there was a friend of mine and उसने
हाँ.
मेरे को बोला कि भाई ट्राई करके देखना एंड
हाँ.
यू मैं तो डर गया भाई इट नोज सो
अच्छा.
मच अबाउट मी इट रिमेंबर्स
Hmm.
मैंने एक साल पहले जो चीज़ पूछी थी इट स्टिल नोज अबाउट दैट एंड मेंशंस दैट अभी
That is the scariest part. It has a lot of information about you.
हाँ
That's the scariest part. अच्छा क्या था? Tell me 5 अगले थे
टेल मी द अगली साइड ऑफ मी टेल मी द डार्क साइड ऑफ मी व्हिच आई डोंट नो अबाउट माई सेल्फ
side.
based on what you know about me tell me the worst things about me that I don't know about myself.
I don't know about myself.
Yes.
Based on what you know, right?
हाँ based on whatever you know about me.
Whatever you make second about.
एंड आप इससे और चैट कर सकते हो कि अच्छा टेल मी मोर
How to improve.
अच्छा टेल मी हाउ कैन आई फिक्स दिस हैबिट ऑफ माइन
Hmm.
सो इट इज स्केरी बट आफ्टर सम टाइम you can actually improve on your patterns and become better with time.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
बता रहा है ऊपर ऊपर से बता पड़ा
You okay?
शेयर भी नहीं कर पा रहे हो
So this says you crave for intensity and not consistency. मतलब हो सकता है. If I look at my content ना, अगर I want my content to go up, views, engagement and all, but I'm not chasing consistency. I'm just chasing that. Absolutely right. But how does ChatGPT know that? नहीं second वाला तो मैं नहीं बता रहा यार.
See, this is what I'm saying.
You confuse purpose with validation. That might be a thing. Was it good enough? Did they notice? Did it perform?
और
Okay, I'm gonna do a reality
जो
check.
नहीं बोल पा रहे but you all should go and try do this try doing this and see what you get.
Yeah, so AI is very powerful. Very powerful. How to make it responsible?
I think it is all about being aware कि आपको क्या शेयर करना है क्या शेयर नहीं करना है and understand कि it is just a model which is storing your data and ऐसा कुछ नहीं होगा कि it will sell it to other people. It might अभी OpenAI wants to run ads on ChatGPT. So let's say that you're talking about something with ChatGPT in your life and then it starts recommending you ads. So that is going to be the future that we are coming to right now. They want more revenue, right? They want to show कि अच्छा हम इस quarter के
distribution.
15% grow
Correct, correct, correct.
So they need to show that somewhere.
Wow. भाई तूने तो आंखें
So
खोल दी है.
OpenAI will become Meta.
In what sense?
Ads
अच्छा ads.
ads
हाँ.
आप देखते हो आप फोन यहाँ पे
Ads,
आप बोलते हो
everything.
you know दुबई 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 शारजा दुबई फिर खोल के देखो दुबई क्या आ जाएगा
But you know एक महीने
दुबई
पहले
property.
ये Mosseri, who's the CEO of Instagram, he told
Yeah.
that Instagram is not listening to you. We have a algorithm structured in such a way that we figure out what you want to do.
हाँ.
But I don't think that's actually true, man. क्योंकि यार like you said दुबई 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 अभी दुबई के सारे ads आ जाएंगे दुबई की flights आ जाएगी दुबई में
दुबई,
क्या करना
exactly.
है कहाँ जाना है सब आ जाएगा
दुबई की मॉडल
और Instagram पे आता है. Let's not do that. तो आपको क्या लगता है? Does it really listen to you?
यार आई तो थिंक आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि मुझे मैंने कुछ रिसर्च करा है
बट इंस्टाग्राम का सीईओ खुद आके ये चीज बोल रहा है.
इट्स नॉट जस्ट इंस्टाग्राम इट्स एवरीथिंग राइट आप कहीं से भी ऐड आ सकते हैं आपको आप थोड़ा सा एक सर्च भी करोगे तो इट काउंट्स गूगल नोज एंड देन गूगल देयर इज अ थिंग कॉल्ड फेसबुक पिक्सल व्हिच इज कनेक्टेड विद एवरीथिंग सो यू गो ऑन लेट्स से यू गो ऑन मान्यवर एंड यू आर लुकिंग फॉर लाइक अ कुर्ता आप किसी की शादी में जा रहे हो लुकिंग फॉर लाइक सम शेरवानी आपने वो देख लिया नाउ गूगल पिक्सल उसमें फिट किया हुआ है मान्यवर ने
करेक्ट.
सो नाउ दे नो कि भाई ये बंदे को चिपकाना है हमें किसी भी करके एक कुर्ता को शेरवानी चिपकानी सो एवरी प्लेस यू गो उसके बाद यू विल कीप सीइंग एड्स आप इंस्टाग्राम पे जाओगे आपको मान्यवर का एड दिख जाएगा आप कहीं भी जाओगे आपको यू कीप सीइंग दोज एड्स
अभी मैं ट्राई करता हूँ. मतलब वो तो दैट्स वेरी
वो
ऑब्वियस.
होता ही है,
या दैट्स वेरी
राइट तो दे
ऑब्वियस.
कीप शेयरिंग डेटा विद ईच अदर सो इट्स नॉट देयर फॉल्ट एज सच यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड आप फ्री में इंटरनेट यूज कर रहे हो मतलब आप ही पे सारे एक्सपेरिमेंट होने वाले हैं
नाइस. तो अभी क्या फिर व्हाट इज योर फ्यूचर प्रोस्पेक्ट विद एआई? व्हाट आर यू प्लानिंग?
I तो think this is जब हमने बात करी is the more dark side of it, but
हाँ.
I am so much more optimistic
Hopeful.
about what all you can get. As I just shared in the starting of the video, there's so much that you can get done with AI. It can help you improve so many of your habits, your skills, keep you accountable. There are so many apps people are making. that you can effectively use. There's an amazing platform called futuretools.io where you can go, just spend, let's say, half an hour on every Sunday, just looking at the new trending tools which people are making and people are using every day. Just try using those tools and you'll see that there's so much more that AI is capable of, and it's not just ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Gemini.
But like you said that a lot of can be done with AI, and companies have actually started doing it. So what I also believe that is key companies are chasing valuations with AI. Do you think that's the case? कि यार हम लेबल लगा देते हैं कि हम AI यूज करते हैं.
Yeah,
So the
every
valuations
company is
are
doing
going
that.
up and traditional business are, you know, अगर कोई AI यूज नहीं कर रहा है तो not valued.
वॉशिंग मशीन में AI आ गया ब्रो. Have you seen
Exactly.
that?
हाँ
I saw a iPhone का स्क्रीन प्रोटेक्टर, उसके साइड में लिखा है ऑप्टिमाइज्ड फॉर एआई.
What?
स्क्रीन प्रोटेक्टर ऑप्टिमाइज्ड फॉर एआई.
तो क्या था
Basically,
उसमें?
every company is trying to put AI somewhere or the other,
हाँ
and they're trying to sell this as a feature.
हाँ.
कि हमारे पास भी अब AI है. While they might not even like need it.
हाँ. Okay, so ईशान मेरे को एक बात बताओ. AI जब आया, what was your mindset कि यार फटाफट ग्रैब करना है, I have to learn this and then teach it to the world,
Yeah.
है ना? And ये चीज़ आगे बढ़ती जाएगी. So how are you preparing for the next thing that is coming into AI?
I think I was very curious
Hmm.
कि ये क्या है, इसे कैसे यूज कर सकते हैं. How does it really work? So when ChatGPT 3 came up, 3.5, GPT 3.5 came up, I signed up in December of 2022, and तब से I've been using it, trying to figure out कि इससे क्या क्या कर सकते हैं. And I think everyone who wants to use AI effectively should be active on Twitter. Twitter पे not only do you get to see the latest AI companies, but you also get to see the best ways to use AI and all the creative ways people are using AI. So be there, spend like 20-30 minutes just scrolling and finding the best use cases of AI. People are doing so much crazy stuff over there, and you'll see what is real and what is not. जो आपने क्वेश्चन पूछा ना कि AI enabled और AI labeled.
Labeled, correct. Use
And-
kalena reel में.
So you will get to know about that when you spend enough time on Twitter, and you just get a vibe कि अच्छा ये company genuinely has something valuable that they are selling, and this company is just like selling the hype, or this company is not effective.
Actually, the problem that I've seen with people is that कि वो लोग ना invest करने के लिए ready नहीं है. They don't invest their time. They don't even invest their money. अभी अगर मैं बोल दूँ ChatGPT का सब्सक्रिप्शन ले लो is only 399 rupees a month, तो अब तो फ्री हो
अब
गया
तो
है.
फ्री हो गया.
तो वो लोग नहीं खरीदते ना, हम तो
हाँ.
इसमें काम चला लेंगे, हमें फोटोज बनाएगी तो हम रुक जाएंगे उसके लिए. तो they don't want to learn. I don't understand. People should have that mindset, you know, going forward, which you have obviously. Yeah. And I also really want to do something in this AI space. You know, my one of my friends, he came back from US. He has this AI automation company. He's running in Indore. So we are trying to, you know, build something, come up with an idea, build something, and, you know, maybe market it on the valuation, then sell it. So let's see where we will land. When you come to Indore, I'll
Absolutely.
make you meet him.
Done.
Very smart guy, like just like you.
आता हूँ.
Chalo, anyway, thank you, Ishan, for
Thank you
coming.
so
This
much.
was such a great podcast, man. ये मतलब आंखें भी खोल दी तूने मेरी, है ना? ये जो अभी हुआ, इतना कुछ बताया भी. You know, I was neutral about, you know, AI because maybe शायद मेरे को इतना रिटर्न नहीं मिला ऐसे जितना मैंने एक्सपेक्ट किया था कि how it is helping people. I've seen a lot of videos of everyone कि यार AI ये कर रहा है, वो कर रहा है, ये कर रहा है. But there was always a question mark कि मेरे साथ क्यों नहीं हो रही है वो चीज़. And the way you explained कि यार कैसे यूज़ करना है, how to move out, how to automate your things. I think now I'm very optimistic about, you know, using AI. I'll just go home. I'll reach home tomorrow and I'll figure out what how I can make the best use of AI. And
Amazing.
obviously, this podcast is going to help a lot of people.
Absolutely. I think everyone should learn more and more about it. You should always try to use tools like Google AI Studio if you want to build something, Notebook LM if you want to learn something new. ये सारे ही tools are really effective other than just the ChatGPT that you all use normally.
Okay, just one last question. So AI space में बहुत सारे distractions तो हैं. जैसे अभी बैठे बैठे तूने 15 तो नाम ले दिए होंगे ना. How do you sort? मतलब let's say for example you're helping me out.
Yeah.
तो बोले उज्जवल भाई आप ये यूज करो. That will be the best for you. So what apps should I go with?
क्या करते हो आप? Like what are your normal tasks?
Basically I'm into content creation as you know
Right,
full time.
right.
I also am into investments.
Right.
तो मैं चाहता हूँ कि जो अर्निंग्स कॉल जो रिपोर्ट्स वगैरह हैं वो ऑटोमेटिकली मेरे फोल्डर में आ जाए.
Right.
can this be done?
Absolutely.
I met this guy. What he has done is उसने जितने वो टेलीग्राम के ग्रुप्स उसने ज्वाइन कर रखे हैं, और पे जितनी भी रिपोर्ट्स एनालिसिस रिपोर्ट आती है ना, what ChatGPT does is वो रिपोर्ट्स को उठाता है, समराइज करता है, and at 5 PM every day ChatGPT sends him this mail.
Yeah.
ये पूरा जिस्ट है आज की रिपोर्ट्स का.
हाँ, absolutely. So you can even build agents for yourself, right? So for example, Lindy पे जाकर के, it's a paid tool, Lindy for
Can
example.
you spell it?
Lindy, LINDY
Okay.
.ai. It's a paid tool. It's not available for free. बट उसमें क्या होता है कि यू कैन आस्क इट टू मेक अ एजेंट फॉर यू. तो आपको खुद कुछ करना भी नहीं, टेक वाला कुछ काम नहीं करना. बस उसको बोलो कि भाई मैं चाहता हूँ कि मुझे हर दिन ये चीज़ें मिल जाए. देन यू, सो आई बिल्ट अ एजेंट जो कि हर दिन सुबह 10 बजे मुझे भेजता है ईमेल, एंड आई हैव डिफाइंड कि मुझे ये फंडामेंटल मेट्रिक्स मुझे देखने हैं कि पी ये होना चाहिए, ROC इतना होना चाहिए, ये सारे मैंने कीवर्ड्स वहाँ पे लिस्ट कर दिए. तो मैंने बोला कि स्कैन द एंटायर NSE एंड फाइंड स्टॉक्स विच क्वालिफाई फॉर दीज मेट्रिक्स एंड सेंड इट टू मी एवरी संडे 9 AM या फिर व्हेनेवर जब मार्केट खुलता है तब भेज दो. एंड देन उसके बेसिस पर फाइंड दोज कंपनीज एंड डू अ proper fundamental analysis of those companies and tell me the information about it. So it does that. वो हर दिन मेरे को भेज देता है सुबह.
Can it read charts?
It has access to screener.
Screener, okay.
Screener पे जाकर के it
Not
can read
reading
the
view?
charts. हाँ,
Not reading view?
reading में भी कर लेगा. It's all about you. Can you link the API? आप link कर दोगे
अच्छा.
तो वो कर देगा.
अच्छा, okay.
Right? So it's all about what you give it access to. So LLM is there. You're just giving access to tools जो आप normally use करते हो. So learn about MCPs, learn about agents, learn about if you create content. So you can build an agent which will scan the news in a particular sector and give you that every morning, and you can make a quick reel about that.
Okay.
So that works out really well. Always make sure that you are asking it to give you data. The best thing we do when we start a video is we put out like some data that we can use and refer to throughout the video. That you can get very effectively with ChatGPT.
Okay.
So इस तरह की सारी चीज़ें you can do.
Perfect. Thank you, man. Thank you so much.
Amazing. Thank you for inviting me here and wish you all the best with AI.
आपका हमारे ऊपर आशीर्वाद है तो. That wraps up this episode of Sector Spotlight on Motilal Oswal's Wealth channel. We'll be back soon with more insights from the leaders driving India's growth story.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.